Hey, today I'm here to explain a letter to God chapter 1 English. ये चैप्टर में एक कैरेक्टर होता है जिसका नाम होता है लैंको। वो फार्मर होता है। उसके कैरेक्टर्स क्या चाहिए कि वो बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग होता है, डिसिप्लिन होता है, सिंसियर होता है और ही हैड अनवेवरिंग फेथ टुवर्ड्स गॉड। उसका जो फेथ था वो अनशेकेबल था, कोई भी नहीं हिला सकता था उसके विश्वास को भगवान के प्रति। तो क्या हुआ, वो बहुत ही अच्छा फार्मर था। अब एक बार उसके फील्ड में फसल उगने का टाइम था। वो बाहर गया देखने की मौसम कैसा है एंड वन थिंग दैट ही वॉज गुड एट प्रेडिक्टिंग वेदर्स। तो वो बाहर गया, अपनी फसल को देखता है एंड ही सॉ दैट हिज क्रॉप्स had ripe dotted flowers on it, which was a good indicator that he is going to get good harvest. And surely it is obvious that if a farmer get good harvest, he will get good money. Yeah. So the thing is that he prayed and hoped for rain so that he could get good harvest, and it was obvious that he will get good harvest as his crops were filled with ripe dotted flowers. And for his surprise, he see that drizzle begin to happen, and he thanked God like he will get good harvest, and he termed the raindrops as new points. Because why he termed? Because rain turn crop into good crop and he will get good harvest after rain, and if he will get good harvest he will get good money. So he termed raindrops as falling new points. Okay, so later the drizzle rain turned into hailstone, and जब वो खत्म हुआ hail, तो उसने जब वो अपनी फील्ड्स को प्रॉपर्ली देख पा रहा था तो उसने देखा कि उसके फील्ड में एक भी क्रॉप नहीं है, सारी क्रॉप डूब गई. द क्रॉप्स वर डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय द हेल, एंड ही सॉ दैट हिज फील्ड्स वर कवर्ड विद स्नो बैड, like he could not see a single crop on his field. So you can imagine how he was feeling. He was very upset. He was feeling grief, like a feeling of loss, and his soul was filled with sorrowness, sadness, and then he decided to write a letter to God. Out of his faith, he had good faith in God. So also he can read and write. So he decided to write at Sunday morning. He wrote to God and he addressed all the problems that hail destroyed all the crops, and now my family is starving and I do not have money to feed them and blah blah blah. So he decided to ask God for help in terms of money. He asked 100 pesos in the envelope and wrote the letter and signed as Lenko, and went to post office, bought a stamp, linked it and affixed it, and then put it into post box. Okay, then our postman come up with the idea to open that letter. Okay, he opened that letter and he burst out laughing. You won't believe, he burst out laughing, and then he showed the letter to his postmaster as well, and he also burst out laughing. But for an instant, after some time, he stopped and he understood the depthness of the matter. Like, a person is not mad to write a letter to God, but he did. Lenko did, because he had great belief in God and he believes in divine help, that they will help me. And postmaster decided to help Lenko out of his kindness and compassion. He was a great human out of kindness and compassion. He decided to collect some pesos and put into envelope. He collected from his employees and himself decided to put some too, and it was altogether 70 pesos, not 100 pesos. Lenko asked for 100 pesos, but postmaster collected only 70 pesos to give, and then he put it into envelope signed as God. Oh my gosh, signed as God and to Lenko. Then for next Sunday, Lenko come to take his letter back, and he was damn sure that he will get the letter back with the reply of God in terms of money. He will give money 100 pesos as he asked. He could not deny him, as he is God and he could not make any mistakes. And Lenko was not surprised at all after receiving letter. As human, we first think that we will not write letter to God. We will write for ourselves for sure, but not to post in post office. Na? They will surely think that we might gone mad. And first thing, we will not write, and second thing, if we write and if we get reply back to us, we will surely surprise out of praise, and we will go on crazy. मैम लेटर आया है भाई वापस, मैंने तो एकदम ब्लैक बटन देखो भी आया सीरियसली. अब उसको लेटर आता है वापस, वो बिल्कुल भी सरप्राइज नहीं था. फिर क्या होता है, उसने लेटर पढ़ा और जो पोस्टमास्टर पोस्ट एम्प्लॉयज थे वो सब देख रहे थे जाके कि वो हमने हेल्प की है. अब उसका रिएक्शन देखते हैं. तो भाई वो बंदा लिटरली समझो ये लेटर है, ऐसा पढ़ रहा है. ही वॉज लिटरली लाइक दैट, सॉरी फॉर माय एक्सप्रेशन. तो वो गुस्सा होगा कि मैंने तो 100 पेसेस मांगे थे, मुझे 70 मिले और भगवान से गलती नहीं हो सकती. तो ये पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज ही चोर है जिन्हें मेरे बचे हुए 30 पेसेस चुरा लिए. उसने सोचा कि मैं एक और लेटर लिखता हूँ भगवान को कंप्लेन करने के लिए, ऐसा हुआ है. उसने एक और वो खरीदा स्टैम्प, लिखना चालू किया. ठीक है, फिर वो गया, उसने डाल दिया लेटर. अब बाद में पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉइज और पोस्टमास्टर ने जब वो लेटर खोल दिया तो उसने लिखा था कि हमने ही हेल्प की और हम ही को तुम चोर बोल रहे हो. सो दिस स्टोरी इज अबाउट compassion, kindness, and deep faith in God, which is like unwavering faith. And also this story is about irony, that humans are different. They believe in divine help rather than human help, and this is the irony of the story. जिसने भी help की आप उसी को blame कर रहे हो. Thank you.